Bam! Let's talk blackened red snapper. This is Gulf Coast flavor in its purest form. Alright people, let's get down to business. We are diving into a classic that sings of the coast. Blackened red snapper is a culinary experience, a bold, spicy crust with a tender, moist interior. Close your eyes and savor the moment. Blackening is high heat that toasts spices onto the fish. Smoky, zesty, savory. A statement on a plate. Ready to kick it up a notch? Good. Let us begin. First things first, gather what you need to craft this masterpiece. Great dishes start with great ingredients. You cannot fake quality. Your red snapper should smell like the ocean, not fishy. You will need about 1 pound of red snapper fillets, skin on or skinless. Skin gives extra crisp, but skinless works perfectly too. Now, the blackening spice rub. This is where the magic begins. Add 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika for color and body. Add 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Add 1 teaspoon of dried thyme and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Crush the herbs to wake up their oils. Add 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for the kick. Stir well. This blend is all about balance. For cooking, have 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point fat like clarified butter or vegetable oil. 1 fresh lemon, cut into wedges, and a small bunch of parsley, roughly chopped. That is it. Simple ingredients with spectacular results. Let us prep so cooking feels calm and easy. Alright, ingredients assembled. This is mise en place. Everything in its place for a smooth cook. Good prep is the secret to stress-free cooking. Pat the red snapper completely dry on both sides. Wet fish steams. Dry fish blackens. Combine your dry spices in a small bowl. Mix until the color is consistent. Season generously on both sides. Do not be timid. Press the rub in so it adheres. Let them rest at room temperature for about 10 minutes. Have a spatula and a clean plate ready. Ventilation on. A little smoke is normal and good. With prep done, you can focus on perfect cooking. This part moves fast. Stay ready. Dry thoroughly, season heavily, rest briefly, set your station. Deep breath. Showtime next. Cast iron ready? Let us blacken. Turn up the heat. Turn up the flavor. 4 steps to success. Let us cook. Grab your heaviest skillet. Cast iron is best. Heat to medium-high until just at the verge of smoking. Be patient. Let it preheat for a few minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or vegetable oil. Add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and swirl the pan. Oil shimmers, butter foams. Perfect. Lay the fish away from you into the hot pan. Hear that strong sizzle? That is success. Do not touch it. Let the crust form. Cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes. Peek. When it is deeply dark, it is time to flip. Flip in one smooth motion. Drop in a bit more butter, tilt, and baste repeatedly. Second side cooks faster, about 1 to 2 minutes. Fish is done when it flakes easily and is opaque throughout. Remove to a warm plate. Culinary art achieved. New to high heat? Use clarified butter for a higher smoke point. For very thick fillets, after searing both sides, finish in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 4 to 6 minutes. Use an oven mitt. That handle is hot. Keep a lid and sheet pan nearby. Ventilate well and never use water on oil flare-ups. Gently plate the blackened red snapper on a warm plate. Squeeze fresh lemon over the hot crust. Non-negotiable brightness. Add chopped parsley for color and freshness. Serve with steamed white rice, sautéed spinach or Swiss chard with garlic, or go southern with creamy grits or maquis choux. Pair with a frosty light lager or crisp pilsner, or a dry white wine like Sauvignon Blanc or Pinot Grigio. Sit, relax, and savor what you created. Cool quickly, store in a shallow airtight container, and refrigerate within an hour or 2. Keeps up to 2 days. Reheat gently in a skillet over low heat with a touch of butter or oil, about 1 to 2 minutes per side. Skip the microwave, or make tacos. Warm tortillas, add flaked fish, simple slaw, avocado, and a squeeze of lime for fresh new life.